Hey everybody, welcome back to Jett Woodworking for Beginners. So a couple videos ago, I took a small wall that I had for my clamps, I extended it out a foot and I made it into a French cleat wall with the intention of hanging all my clamps. Well, I've been putting it off and I finally got around to it and now it looks like this. I start by figuring out what size my rack needs to be. I need at least 10 inches to fit 5 clamps on, so I'm going to start by cutting my sheets down in 12 by 12 sections. Now I have my 12 by 12 squares and I need to cut them all in half diagonally. Then I clip 2 inches off each corner and that gets me right back down to the 10 inches that I originally wanted. Now I need to cut down my 6-inch pieces for my smaller clamps. I use my miter saw to clip the corners, and this is purely for aesthetics. Now I need a back piece that holds all these pieces together. All my clamps are different sizes, so I go through and measure each individual style of clamp to get the right width. And unfortunately I forgot to turn my camera on when I cut these pieces down, so I apologize, but here's what they all look like, ready to go, ready to be assembled. A little bit of glue, then some brad nails, and that'll hold it in place until I can get some screws in. When I built my French cleat wall, I made extra strips knowing that I'll need them when I want to make whatever tools I want to put on my wall. So using that, I cut them down to the same width and screw it right on. Now it's just rinse and repeat for the smaller clamps. Off camera, I finished the rest of them up. Now here they are. Now it's time to put them to use. This whole project took me probably an hour to an hour and a half. It didn't take a lot of material. I just used scrap that I had. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could please like and subscribe, it would really help my channel grow. I really have a good time making these for everybody, and I'd like to continue. So until next time, we'll see you later.